Brazil, with its expansive landscapes and ideal coffee-growing climate, is renowned for its high-quality coffee. Among the many coffee farms spread across the country, one stands out as the largest and most prominent, Fazenda Santa Inês. Located in the heart of Minas Gerais, Fazenda Santa Inês offers a unique insight into the world of coffee production, from the meticulous process of cultivation to the intricate steps of harvesting, processing, and finally exporting. This visit to Fazenda Santa Inês unveils the intricate journey of a coffee bean, revealing the dedication and passion that goes into every cup of coffee. Our journey begins in the fertile fields of Fazenda Santa Inês, where the coffee plants are meticulously cultivated. The Minas Gerais region's rich soil, coupled with the perfect balance of sunlight and rainfall, creates an ideal environment for coffee cultivation. The farm's agronomists carefully select and nurture the Arabica coffee plants, known for their superior flavor and aroma. These plants are given ample space to grow, allowing their roots to spread and absorb the rich nutrients from the soil. The coffee plants are pruned regularly to ensure optimal growth and productivity. This involves removing unnecessary branches and leaves, allowing the plant to focus its energy on producing high-quality cherries. Additionally, the farm employs sustainable farming practices such as composting and natural pest control to maintain the health of the plants and the environment. The harvesting season at Fazenda Santa Inês is a time of great activity and anticipation. The harvest typically takes place from May to September. This harvest season allows for the cherries to be picked at their peak ripeness, ensuring the best possible flavor. The cherries are harvested by hand, a labor-intensive process that requires skill and precision. Workers carefully select only the ripest cherries, leaving the unripe ones to mature for later picking. This method, although time-consuming, ensures that each cherry is of the highest quality, contributing to the farm's reputation for excellence. Modern coffee harvesting leverages advanced machinery with vibration and sensor technology to pick ripe cherries, enhancing yield and quality while minimizing damage and waste. Efficient on mountainous terrain, these machines reduce labor dependency, boosting sustainability and efficiency in the coffee industry. Once harvested, the coffee cherries are transported to the farm's processing facility. Here, the cherries undergo several stages of processing to transform them into the coffee beans we know and love. The first step is pulping, where the outer skin of the cherries is removed, revealing the beans inside. This is followed by fermentation, a crucial process that enhances the bean's flavor profile. The beans are then washed to remove any remaining mucilage and laid out to dry. At Fazenda Santa Inês, the drying process is meticulously monitored to ensure the beans dry evenly and do not develop any mold. This drying stage can take several days to weeks, depending on the weather conditions. After drying, the beans are hulled to remove the parchment layer, leaving the green coffee beans ready for the next stage. The beans are sorted and graded based on size and quality, with only the best beans proceeding to the roasting stage. Fazenda Santa Ynez takes pride in its roasting process, where the beans are roasted to perfection, bringing out their unique flavor characteristics. The roasting process is both an art and a science. It involves carefully controlling the temperature and duration to achieve the desired roast profile. Light roasts, medium roasts, and dark roasts each offer distinct flavors and aromas, catering to different preferences. The freshly roasted beans are then allowed to cool before being packaged for sale. With the beans roasted and ready, the final step in the journey is exporting the coffee to markets around the world. Fazenda Santa Ynez has established a robust supply chain to ensure that its coffee reaches consumers in peak condition. The beans are carefully packaged to preserve their freshness and flavor during transit. Brazilian coffee, particularly from Minas Gerais, is highly sought after for its unique taste and quality. The farm's dedication to maintaining high standards throughout the cultivation, harvesting, and processing stages ensures that their coffee stands out in the competitive global market. The beans are shipped to various destinations, where they are eagerly awaited by coffee enthusiasts and connoisseurs. Brazil's coffee export industry has seen significant growth in recent years. In 2023 alone, the country exported over 40 million bags of coffee, generating more than $6 billion in revenue. This marked a 10% increase compared to the previous year. The demand for Brazilian coffee has been particularly strong in markets such as the United States, Europe, and Asia. Visiting Fazenda Santa Ynez is not just about learning the technical aspects of coffee production. It's also about experiencing the passion and commitment that drives the farm's success. The farm offers guided tours that take visitors through the entire coffee-making process, from the fields to the processing facilities. These tours provide a hands-on experience, allowing visitors to pick cherries, observe the processing methods, and even try their hand at roasting. The farm also has a visitor center and tasting room, where guests can sample a variety of coffee blends and single origin coffees. This tasting experience allows visitors to appreciate the nuances of different roasts and understand the factors that contribute to their unique flavors. A visit to Brazil's largest coffee farm, Fazenda Santa Ynez, offers a comprehensive insight into the world of coffee production. From the careful cultivation of coffee plants in the fertile Minas Gerais soil to the meticulous harvesting, processing, and roasting techniques, every step is driven by a commitment to quality and sustainability. The farm's dedication to excellence is evident in every cup of coffee, making Fazenda Santa Ynez a standout producer in the global coffee industry. Whether you are a coffee aficionado or simply curious about the journey of a coffee bean, a visit to Fazenda Santa Ynez is an enriching and memorable experience.
For more videos, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel.